In this video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about one of the most profitable niches that you can grow your Instagram account with using Jarvee. Now that is the luxury and lifestyle niche. I'm going to be talking to you guys about, first of all, how you can grow your account in this niche. I'm going to talk to you about why it's so profitable, and then I'm going to teach you how you can make money in this niche. Enjoy this video, but make sure you scroll down right now and subscribe to the Cash Kreator if you want to see more Jarvee and Instagram videos. Enjoy. What is going on, guys? The Cash Kreator is back with another video, and today I'm going to be talking to you guys about how you can grow an account inside the luxury and lifestyle niche. Okay, you're going to be using Jarvee, the follow and unfollow method, but let's talk about this niche and why it is so profitable. Okay, so first things first, all right, the luxury and lifestyle niche is basically stuff like this, you know, beautiful houses, you know, in exotic places, okay, beautiful cars and beautiful everything. Basically, that is what the niche is about. Okay, and let me tell you why this niche is so profitable is basically because every single person on Instagram, they want to show exactly how awesome their own life is. I want to do it, you want to do it, everyone wants to show how awesome their life is, and as a result, they want to see awesome things. They want to see people's lifestyles that are amazing. Okay, they don't get to experience a luxury lifestyle every day, okay, unless you're very, very wealthy. Okay, like these people here, Cristiano Ronaldo or Dan Bilzerian. These people are extremely wealthy, and they, you know, they can experience this lifestyle. Okay, and they're following it, but so are, you know, these 2.7 million other people like you and I. Okay, we want to see luxury, we want to see how it is, we want to experience it, because it may not be possible for us to experience it in real life because we don't have millions and millions and millions of dollars. Alright, guys, so that's why it's so profitable. People love to see it, and they want to experience, you know, what they cannot afford. That's basically it. Okay, so that's why it's so profitable. The next thing is, why will this account grow? How can I guarantee that this account will grow? Well, here is your proof anyway. Look at this account. It has over 2.7 million followers. Okay, it's a luxury page with some awesome stuff in there, some great posts, and there's even a lot of famous people in here following it. Okay, everyone wants to see it. Okay, let's see another one. Okay, car lifestyle. It's showing luxury cars. This has 3.9 million followers. Look at all these beautiful cars. People want to see luxury. They can't afford it, so they want to see it. You know, people don't want to see a Ford Fiesta, you know, on Instagram today. They want to see a Ferraris, Lamborghinis, that kind of thing. Okay, that's why this account has 3.9 million followers. Okay, so here's a smaller page, smaller luxury page. Okay, it's like a clothing, footwear, streetwear, culture, but everything here is, again, luxurious, as you can see. You know, there's a lot of luxury on here. Okay, a lot of beautiful things that people would love to see. This is Floyd Mayweather with all his watches. Look at that. Okay, there's probably millions and millions of dollars inside that picture. All right, so again, 380k followers. Look at the likes on a post. You know, this post just came out, but again, 11k followers, you know, 11k likes. Okay, 20k. Look at that. People love to see this. All right, so that's basically the reasons that this account will grow. People love to see it, and they will give you a follow if you have beautiful pictures like these, which you can just steal using Jarvee's campaign tool. If you want to know how to use the campaign tool, go in my Jarvee playlist and look it up. But basically, you can use the campaign tool to steal other people's content from Instagram and then post it as your own. Alright, guys, so that's, I've talked about why it's so profitable, how you can grow it, and why you can grow it, because, you know, people simply love to see this stuff, so they're definitely going to follow you. Now let's move on to the final thing. How can you make money in this niche? Now then, this is an important one. First things first, when you have a huge account like this, okay, you have 300k followers, 2 million followers, however many followers, people pay you to do shout outs, to shout out their page. For example, if I have a small page, small luxury page with 10k followers, I'm going to talk to these guys, I'm going to DM them and say, hey, can you shout out my page? They're going to say, okay, yeah, we can do it, but you need to pay us $20 or something. Okay, then I pay that money, and then I get a shout out, and then I get loads and loads more followers, because people love luxury, okay, and they want to see my content as well. Alright, So that's one of the ways that you can make money in this niche. Shout outs, okay? And next thing is, again, like I've talked about before, drop shipping. Okay, so what you can do is you can go on AliExpress. Let me briefly explain. Drop shipping is basically selling stuff when you have no stock. You have zero stock at all. You don't need anything in a warehouse. You don't need anything in your house. Basically, you open an online store, or you can even do it on Amazon. You can, start selling on Amazon or eBay or whatever. Okay, and when you can advertise different products, and as soon as someone wants to buy your product, you get it shipped straight to their address. It's that simple. Okay, so for example, if you're in the luxury niche, you have an Instagram account with all these followers in the luxury niche, people love luxury. So what can you do? You can go straight to AliExpress. Okay, you can go click on luxury watches, and then you can find awesome watches that look really, really luxurious. Obviously, they're not going to be Rolexes or whatever, and you don't want to be selling fake Rolexes on AliExpress. On Amazon or eBay, because you'll probably get banned. You can, if you want to, sell it on Gumtree maybe. Okay, don't report me to the police for this, but yeah, why not? Okay, you could do that. I wouldn't recommend it though, because it's not ethical. But you could sell it on sell it on Gumtree or whatever. Gumtree, and then you could get away with it because people won't know that it's fake. You can advertise it as real. Okay, it's very unethical, but you could do it if you wanted to make money that badly. All right, but anyway, from a more ethical perspective, you can type luxury watches onto AliExpress. Okay, and then you can find watches that look really luxurious. Look at this, that looks really expensive. Okay, but it's look at it. It looks great. It doesn't have a price there though. Okay, so let's look at a different one. Again, this one looks quite expensive, but you can buy it for $21 to $28, okay? So look at that. You could sell luxurious items on your Instagram page, okay? So you could create stories and say swipe up, to buy this luxurious watch, and people will swipe up, click the link, to your store, and they'll buy it, or to your Amazon link, okay? So again, let's look at some more luxurious watches that offer cheap prices. Okay, let's scroll down. Again, that looks good. It's only $9. Okay, so that's for $9. You could sell it, as a luxurious watch, and say that, sell it for $100 or $200. Okay, so if people like the look of it, they're gonna buy it. They won't know that it's from AliExpress. All you have to do is say luxurious watch, Navy Force, whatever that says. Okay, or this mechanical watch, for example. You just buy these cheap watches from AliExpress, and then you can sell them for a huge profit. Okay, so even if you only get one customer or two customers, okay, if you're buying something for $10 and selling it for $100 or $150, that's a huge profit margin. You're making $140 even if you make one sale a week. Okay, that's £400 or dollars a month, and that adds up. $400 a month times that by 12. That's incredible. Yeah, that's a huge amount of money. So that's what I'm saying to you guys. If you're in the luxury niche, you can sell items that look luxurious, and AliExpress has a huge amount of those items. AliExpress specializes in knockoffs and rip-offs of luxurious things. So you could sell these, you could sell anything that people love, luxury related, luxury clothes. You can find anything on AliExpress that's luxurious, and then you can start selling it. Okay, so that is probably the best way that you can make money in this niche. Okay, this is the end of the video. I hope I have inspired you to make an account in this niche. Okay, because it is a beautiful niche with some huge potential for you to make money. I promise, just try it. Even one sale, you're going to make $100. So make sure you guys try this, because I'm using, for the Instagram accounts that I'm growing that have 10k, 20k, 30k followers or more, I'm making well over $500 a month, okay, totaled up on all these accounts, and it's just great passive income. So I want all of you guys to try it. Thank you for watching this video. Again, if you haven't already, please scroll down, subscribe this video. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and share it, guys. Let people know what the Cash Kreator is all about. Thank you for watching. This is me signing off. Peace out. Mwah.